Hello and welcome to Sodexis. Today I'm going to show you how to add a CRM lead to a project. You can do it in other scenarios, even on the sales side. The reason we find it more often that people like this drop-down selection added to the project is because it helps centralize all the different information. Oftentimes, projects will start from a lead, which then converts to a sales order. And then after a sales order, they start managing that sales order through a project, because oftentimes in these type of things, there's all kind of extracurricular things that have to happen in order to complete the sale. So it just gives the client the ability to have all their information centralized. As you can see here, we have a sales order that's already linked to this project. So now going back to the project, we're here in our studio view. Once I click into it, slightly different than the previous customization. This is going to be a many to one field, and we can just drag and drop it here. I think it looks nice underneath the customer. Now that we have the field set, we're going to just type in CRM, click model. Brings up a multitude of options. The one we want here is crm.lead. Once we confirm that, that will show up. We can even relabel it. A little bit of a typo there. Now we can close this. The customization's there, excuse me. It's been relabeled, and now we have a multitude of different leads that we can select from. And as you can see, the information it's actually pulling is from the label of it, or the name of the opportunity. So there's a lot of flexibility. Everything comes up. And as long as their nomenclature's fairly accurate, you shouldn't have any issue finding the proper lead to link to this project. I hope this was informative. For more information, please click the link below.